Get ready to discover why the Sony WH-1000XM5 are still the ultimate game changer for your audio world. These headphones boast industry-leading noise cancellation that truly silences your surroundings, whether you're on a noisy commute or focused at a busy office. And with an incredible 30-hour battery life, your music, podcasts, or calls can go on for days without a single charge interruption. Plus, the seamless multipoint connection lets you effortlessly switch between your phone and laptop, boosting your productivity and convenience instantly. What truly sets the XM5s apart is this perfect blend of revolutionary quiet, extended power, and smart connectivity, making them indispensable for modern life. If you're looking for the best premium headphones that deliver an unparalleled listening experience, click the Amazon link in the description to check them out. Beyond the features, the sound quality is rich and immersive, transforming every track into a private concert, all while resting comfortably for hours. From eliminating distractions to keeping you connected, these Sony headphones consistently perform, making every audio interaction a pleasure. Ready to elevate your everyday? Don't miss out on experiencing the Sony WH-1000XM5. Grab yours today via the link below. For anyone seeking the absolute best noise-canceling headphones of 2025, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are an essential investment for superior audio.